Hey friends, if you encounter the error 1067, the process terminated unexpectedly in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to remove the fax entry, search for registry editor and open registry editor. Go to HKey local machine, system, current control set services. Okay, go to HKey local machine system current control set services. Now scroll down in this list, which is in alphabetical order. You'll find an entry for fax. Right click on it and delete it, and then click on yes. Now here's one exception. If you are actually using a fax machine, then don't delete it. But are you going to use a fax machine? These days no one uses it. The next solution is to run the SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator, and then click on yes. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is a clean boot. Okay, so search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and click on system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any other service is checked, click on disable all, click on apply, then on OK, and finally restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.